This is what my dog does when he is alone in his crate. What are you doing, dog? Come on, we're gonna let you out. So see, if you want to get this for your dog, you get it at Pet Supplies Plus, and they're just a few dollars. And if your dog is really smart, there's a lock that makes sure that they can't get out, and it's even hard for me. So let me just get that. He's stretching. I'm gonna let him out. He's gonna run and play. And just so you know, his name is Buddy. And he is very crazy. Come, Bud. Buddy is a beagle. He's very loyal. And that's the end of the video.